Okay, international people.
Yes.
Okay.
It's going to be lost, eh? Well, so far we've been here 15 minutes and I'm enjoying it already. Kind of like the hillsides here, the mountains and inside the reserve, which you don't really get in Kruger, which is quite amazing. It's really cool.
Oh, I can't believe it. In all the years that I've been to parks, I've never seen a snake. Oh, what a luck. Very important not to drive too fast, that's the first thing.
What's fast then?
I think
50,
or 20.
60?
The speed limit's 40.
You can't see anything at 40.
No, you can't. It's just too much of a blur. And it also scares off the animals because if you're going too fast, they'll wait for you to pass. Whereas if you're doing 15 or 20, for example, then you've got a better chance of them crossing the road. And those are obviously the best sightings.
Okay. It is now 11:37. According to our dashboard, it is 32. I think there's the discomfort index of about another 10 degrees. So it's 42 at the moment. Welcome to Natal. How awesome is that, man?
I think the way they walk is really cool.
Well, we finally managed to spot some impala. Hello.
Hello. Wow, this is lovely.
Wow. Very hot, eh?
Aish, what a bad day. Bad day.
We didn't see
The sun
much.
is killing us.
Hey, the sun, yeah.
Ah, it's killing us.
Thanks, my man.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Well, our first time to the Hluhluwe-Imfolozi Park, and I rate it as helemaal toppie. It's fantastic. I really enjoyed it.
Impressed, man. Mightily impressed. Love the hills. You can see further, you can see far. A lot of trees around. Very thick bush, which makes it hard in some areas. But a lot different to the Kruger part.
Yeah.
Very enjoyable.
Man's okay. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Would recommend anyone to come here. It's great stuff.